What's up, Chemical Guys family? Today in the detail garage we have these two highly modified Infinitis. Now, since we're going to be working on two cars, I brought my buddy in here, Joseph. If you guys have been to our Los Angeles showroom, you know this guy. He's one of our characters. He's one of my good friends, and he's also a great detailer. So he's going to help me get these two show cars ready for the show car season. Now that temperatures are warming up, you guys are bringing all your projects out of the garage to those shows. So we're going to show you the quickest and easiest way to make them look their best. So to start off, we're going to be using some synthetic quick detail spray. And this is a great way to safely remove any abrasive particles of dirt, debris, bird droppings from the paint, glass, chrome wheels, or even your engine bay. So without further ado, we have two cars here. One car that is highly detailed, it's routinely cleaned, and it's got just a light layer of dust. Perfect for a quick detail spray. Now over here, Joseph's going to talk about this other Infiniti, which has a little bit more dirt and debris.
Yes, it does, Nick, as you can tell. So what I love about going with synthetic is actually synthetic has a heavy amount of gloss enhancers to it, and it also has anti-static properties. What that means is after you end up applying this product, it's not going to allow for like the dust to end up really sticking there. So what I'm going to start off with is, if you could tell, you got some little bird droppings here, some light little dust. I'm going to go ahead and give it a couple good squirts and use my happy ending microfiber towel, swiping in one direction, ensuring that we don't smear all that dust and debris around here, all right? So if you don't mind, I'm gonna go ahead and get to this a little bit, start to hit up other areas of the car, and we'll be right back with the next little section that we're working on. So guys, we wanted to give a good demonstration here and give you a 50-50 of what the results were off of just a couple squirts from this synthetic detail spray. Got rid of a lot of the bug and little bird droppings that are up here. Also, you end up noticing the radiant shine that what you're getting on this driver's side of the car. Now, what's great about synthetic is this is going to be an amazing product for me to use on the glass and also on these beautiful custom wheels that we have with the polished lip and all these aerodynamic carbon fiber pieces that what are around the car here. So if you don't mind, just go ahead and let me get to it here for a little bit while Nick and I go and work on these cars and sit back and go ahead and enjoy this video.
There's something inside you. It's hard to explain. They're talking about you, boy, but you're still the same. There's something inside you. There's something inside you. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain. They're talking about you, talking about you, but you're still the same. But you're still the same. There's something inside you. It's hard to explain.
So now both of these Infinitis are looking really good, but we still want to protect it, which is why we're going to enhance that shine, but also add a protective layer of carnauba wax using banana spray wax. Now what this is a carnauba spray which enhances that shine, but it also repels dust, UV rays, and water spots. And all you have to do is shake up the bottle and spray directly on the surface. It doesn't take any time to haze or flash, so you can wipe it off immediately and unveil that high shine. So Joseph and I are going to finish up both of these cars. Let us know which car you like best, and also come visit this guy at our Gardena store. In the meantime, you guys can also head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, to check out these products for yourself, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.
They're talking about you, boy.